Are you struggling on how to resolve your reuse content issue? Maybe you are demonetized, suspended, or you apply for YouTube partnership program and you were rejected, and the reason they gave is reuse content. This video is for you. Try to watch to the end. Or maybe you don't have any issue with reuse content. You can still watch this video to avoid having a reuse content strike on your channel. It's very important. Learn from people's experience, because in this video I'm going to walk you step by step on how I was able to resolve my reuse content strike on this channel. Hi lovely people, you're welcome to this space. Here is Grow with Stacy. Here we'll talk about how to make money online and how to grow your YouTube channel, how to become better and consistent creating your content. This is the type of something you want to see, the type of content you want to see. Please subscribe and like this video. So whenever you get to the point of monetizing your account, you put in the effort, you grow your channel to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, and finally it's time for you to monetize. You've gotten the notification, you can now apply for YouTube partnership program to start earning money. It's time for your effort to start earning you some money, and you applied and boom, they get rejected because of reuse content. It can be very devastating when you apply for YouTube monetization and you get rejected. It's very discouraging and demoralizing. Or probably you'll be monetized and after sometimes you get demonetized, and the reason is reuse content, and in some cases you are suspended because of reuse content. This can be very devastating and is not an experience you will wish on anyone. So here we're going to talk about it, and I will tell you at the end of the day how I was able to get my own result in 24 hours. Yes, you heard me right, in just 24 hours. First of all, let's talk about what is reuse content from YouTube perspective. What is considered as reuse content? According to YouTube reuse content policy, it states that if you are going to do a reaction video or repurpose content from other sources or creators, make sure that you add significant original commentary, substantive modifications, or educational or entertainment value. If not, our reuse content policy stated that channels could be suspended and monetization removed. Don't think it's only when you use someone else's content or you are making a reaction video that you can be demonetized or suspended because of reuse content. I've seen cases where people get reuse content strike even with their own personal content. They are filming themselves, making commentary, just like I am doing, and at the end of the day they still got reuse content strike. There are certain things you don't need to do to avoid being demonetized because of reuse content. I'm going to make that as a separate video, what and what to avoid, what and what you shouldn't do on your channel, so that it won't be tagged as reuse content. The purpose of this video is to guide you on the step I took to resolve my reuse content. So when I applied for monetization, I was able to get the requirements for monetization, and I was so excited, so happy to finally monetize, and they sent me a mail that I can now apply with all the excitement and joy, and I applied for monetization. Within few hours I got this notification that I cannot be monetized because of reuse content. And I was into reaction videos. I was making reaction videos for interior decor. This used to be my name previously before I rebranded to my current name. So I was into interior decor commentary. I was, compilation of interior decor pictures, and I will use it to teach on how to decorate every part of your home, how to make your home beautiful. That was the content I was creating then. And though in most of the videos I didn't make much commentary, I was making like 30 seconds commentary, and I'll use background music for the rest of the video. So I kind of understood the mail that I was using someone else's contents. Yeah, because according to reduce content policy, you have to make a significant changes even though you want to use content you got maybe from internet, from every other site. You must make it to look original. So I knew I was given option to either appeal, or if I want to appeal, I'll wait for like 1 month to appeal, or I'll wait for 3 months to reapply, and I have to make some changes. And I already know that I am guilty of the charge, so I had to wait for 3 months. So what I did was to keep putting up content, making them original, making them, look original. I was putting up my face, because then I wasn't putting my face. I was putting my face from beginning to the end. I was making commentaries from beginning to the end. So I kept on posting videos, uploading every day for that 3 months. I was making sure that it was original, trying to avoid the mistake of reused content. So at the end of the 3 months, 2 days to the final date I was supposed to reapply, what I did was you can do this in two different ways. You can either wait after applying to delete your video, the one you feel that is reused content, or after applying, either you delete before apply, or apply before you delete. But if you have, and sometimes you might have like plenty videos. Like in my own case, I have over 200 as at then, and I didn't know the one that is tagged reuse content. I already know that there are some ones that I did not make significant changes, so I started deleting from those ones that didn't have much views and much watch hour. I started deleting from those ones, and I left the ones that have much views, watch hour, till the day I was supposed to reapply. So on that particular day, what I did was, like I said earlier, you can do it in 2 ways. So what I did was to apply. As soon as I click the reapplied button, I went to delete the one that I have like two videos that have highest watch hour and views. So I left those two to the day I was supposed to reapply. As soon as I click the reapply button, I deleted those two. And trust me, in the next 24 hours, I was accepted. My monetization application was accepted. You can do this either ways. If you have plenty of them that you think are reused content, what you can do is to wait for the day you're supposed to reapply. And YouTube takes like 2 days to refresh, like add watch hour. So that particular day you're supposed to reapply, delete so many of them. If you have 1 or 2 or 3 that you are sure that have the highest watch hour, for you not to reduce your watch hour and start afresh, please leave those ones till the day you will reapply. Click reapply and delete them, or you delete them within 1 hour. Just as soon as you delete them, reapply. You don't even need to wait more than 1 hour or less than 1 hour. As soon as you are sure you've deleted them, just reapply, or you are reapply and you delete them. This was how I resolved my reduced content, and you can see the mail here. Within like few hours, well, not even up to 24 hours, I was accepted. My monetization application was accepted, and it felt so good. After getting to 1,000 subscribers, 4,000 watch hour, and I applied, it took me extra 3 months to get monetized. So this is what you have to do if you have reused content issue, whether you're demonetized, suspended, or not accepted for monetization because of reused content. This is what you need to do. And if you're sure you don't have any reduced content, that all your content is original, as always, they will give you 2 options, either to appeal or to wait for 3 months. So if you're sure your content is original, you can appeal. I'm going to make another video on how to make an appeal, because I've also had a case where I have to appeal the other of my channel. So I'm going to make that video. So this is how I was able to resolve my reduced content issues. I hope this helps, and I've known some persons that also resolve theirs through this means. Try it, it will work out for you. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe to this channel for more tips on how to grow your channel and how to make money online. See you in my next video.